channel.
Hello, Gryphons. I'm Nora.
And I'm Carson. Welcome back to ODTV, your weekly look for all amazing things happening right here at Odyssey.
We've got lots to share today, from important announcements to celebrating some big wins from our math club.
Plus, some fun segments made by our fellow ODTV reporters. Let's get started.
The 2024 to 2025 yearbook is available for pre-sale now. Reserve your book filled with memories from this school year for only $40 while supplies last. You can order online or buy it at Miss Kira's window with cash or a check made out to OMS.
We have early release days coming up on Friday, June 6th and Wednesday, June 11th. The early release on June 6th is so our staff can participate in scoring senior projects. Transportation will be provided to take 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students home that day.
The Media Center's final day for book checkouts is this Friday, June 6th. All books must be returned by Thursday, June 12th. After that date, fines will be added to student accounts for any unreturned items, but once the book is returned, fines will be removed. If you have questions about your library account, stop by and see Mr. Madison or Miss Sue. Returning your books on time helps keep the Media Center running smoothly and gets us ready for summer reading.
Just a reminder, the end of the year Symphonic Band concert for OMS and DHS is less than 1 day away. It will be held on June 5th at 6 p.m. at DHS. Student musicians should dress formally, white tops, black bottoms, and don't forget those black fancy shoes, and arrive at 5:40 to prepare. Our own math club is on fire this spring, competing at state-level events and bringing home some serious honor.
That's right. 12 Odyssey students competed at the Math is Cool Masters in Moses Lake, with our 6th graders taking first place, 7th graders earning third, and 8th graders placing second in their divisions.
A special shout-out to 7th grader Rena Chandri, who placed 5th individually among all pre-algebra students statewide.
And some exciting news. The 8th grade group's project recently earned Math Count's gold level honor roll status, winning a $250 prize and national recognition.
Congratulations to all our math club members. Keep up the amazing work.
And now it's time for our pop culture segment, brought to you by Gus. Today we're diving into Clone Drone in the Hyperdome, a super cool robot battle game where players control gladiator robots fighting to survive in an intense arena. Let's see what makes this game so fun and why it's buzzing among gamers right now. Gus?
The time has come. Execute Order 66.
Clone Drone in the Hyperdome is a VR sequel. It shows plenty of updates, including the one voiced here by a Dobrog employee.
Already know, starting at the bottom, you fight increasingly difficult waves of enemies. Each time you beat them, you progress up the skyscraper and hear the commentators taunting you. You'll be able to fight up the skyscraper forever until you're finally out of clones.
And there's a huge storyline.
Lightning run is blink.
Those words make me want to malfunction. Let us take a moment to pay tribute to Root Chris.
Root Chris was a technopath. He looked into his opponents' minds to anticipate their moves.
He was beloved by all, especially...
And many YouTubers.
Come on out, Blinky!
Up next, Hunter and Aiden tell us about their experience at the recent PTO Dine Around event at Chipotle.
For those who don't know what Dine Arounds are fun community events where families eat at local restaurants, and portion of the sales go back to our PTO.
That's right. The money raised helps fund awesome projects and activities across our schools. Let's see what Hunter and Aiden enjoyed about the night.
Hey guys, my big back is at Chipotle for the PTO thingy. I forgot the name. All the money from paid food goes to the school, which is super cool.
Thanks for watching, Gryphons. It's been great sharing these stories with you.
As we head into the last weeks of school, remember, keep pushing forward and give it all right up to the finish line.
Here's a quote to inspire you. The difference between the impossible and the possible lies in a person's determination.
Your greatness is already there.
It's part of you, waiting to step into the light. You just have to turn on the switch.
Stay strong, stay curious, and we'll see you on our next week of ODTV.
Have a fantastic week, everyone!
Nora, hold on. We forgot one last thing. What? We leave you here today with a fun fact from Nathan.
Woo!